Hey everybody, so we are now in Sydney and we're at the Grand Pullman Quay Hotel. So here we are inside. This is like our little kitchen area. Here behind these two double doors, you have an in-room washer and dryer. So talk about super convenient. Not that I like to do laundry on vacation, but it will come in handy this particular time. This cabinet right here is your refrigerator. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. Does come stocked with some beers, some sodas, some waters. Got a couple of bottles of wine down there. Remember, those are room charges, so be kind. Behind cabinet number 3, just your basic plates, cups. Sorry, camera guy. In case you needed to do any cooking or whatever while you're staying in this beautiful room. Got an electric glass top stove. Got yourself a little oven down here if you're gonna do any cooking. Over here on this side is gonna be your basic standard microwave, good size. So in case you bring back any leftovers. Got a beautiful sink right here. Do some dishes if you have to. Back here behind this counter, we've got a dishwasher. So you can take a peek in there. So just small enough to take care of the essentials, nothing spectacular. Okay, and over here in this tucked away, we've got the coffee pot with your little espresso pods. So you can get yourself some morning cup of joe. You do have one outlet back over here on this side. On this side of your cooktop, you do have, looks like they provided you with a converter. So an Australian converter, in case you guys happen to forget those. And then you got a few things up here on top. Got a couple of bottles to get your party started correctly. And then you got a few snacks, got some chocolates, some peanuts, got some breath mints, whatever it is you might need. And then over here, these are just your extra coffee accessories and your teas, sugar, those types of essentials. On your glass top stove, again, this is electric, so you've got your control panels button here. And then down below, you've got your oven. So kind of small, but it'll get the job done. Hey, I'm sure if you're staying here, you're on vacation, so you're not doing a lot of cooking anyways. Got your, sorry, camera guy, right here by the door as you come in, this is gonna be your control panel, your temperature controls. So right by the door, easy access. Control switches on the wall right here as you enter for all your lights. Got a good size table for seating 4 for you, your guests, who's ever staying here in the room. Good lighting all throughout. Definitely nice and bright in here. Onto our living room area. This couch right here is one of those hide-a-bed couches. So if you needed to pull out the bed for some extra guests, the bed's in there. Looks like you've got your bedding tucked away in there with it. Good size TV, right? Welcome to Sydney. And then this is such a cool feature, but as you're circling around the room here, from the living room, you're coming into the bedroom. You got yourself a little pocket door in case you wanted to say nighty night to anybody. And then on into the master bedroom. Beautiful king size bed. You've got some USB outlets on one side of the bed by the telephone, so that's pretty convenient. And then also on this side of the bed, you actually also have a couple of USB outlets. These little switches right here are your control buttons for your lights, so that's also really nice. You're laying in bed, you just reach over and flip those things on and off. Couple of complimentary waters. Got some really good storage space, shelving on this side of the bed, next to your TV, and drawer space. If you needed to tuck anything away, this is where they've got their safe hidden, so that's kind of cool. Safe is inside the cabinet drawer. Really like that feature. But real beautiful cabinets here. Back here is going to be your closet for any hanging garments that you need to hang up, as well as a couple of robes. And looks like there's some extra bedding down there too, so maybe that's for your couch guest if you needed one. Back here on the back of the door, got yourself a nice full-length mirror. And then again, just another sitting area, dressing area for whatever you needed. And then as you come through the master, we now find ourselves in this beautiful bathroom. So you've got cute little jet tub in here. You've got your toilet also. So this one actually has the toilet, the tub, the sink, and the shower all in one room, which we're not big fans of. We do like to have our toilet separated, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Nice overhead shower for that waterfall shower feeling. And then down here below the sink, they do offer, a scale. Good Lord, who wants to see that when you're on vacation? But you do have your basic, they do provide a few bathroom essentials, anything that you might have forgotten. They also provide shampoo, conditioner, and liquid body wash in here.
So they had a nice pool here, but it was a little strange. It was on the second floor. It had that, the jacuzzi and the gym. But it was a really nice setup, and the water was warm. It was all inside. They had this little overhang there where you go up the steps, I guess, and there was chairs there, so if you want to lounge if the sun's coming through the windows. So it was nice. We didn't get a chance to go in it, but we did want to check it out and make sure we review it and give you all the views of what it has. So you can be sitting in the jacuzzi in the pool and looking out the big glass windows at people going by on the street. Also, they had a nice sauna if you want to go in the sauna and then finish your work off that way, and showers and all that. Really nice setup. You can see there's no one there when we went by, but it's really nice in there, and I think they had all the amenities set up nice and proper, especially this little area. Like I said, going up the stairs, they have these loungers where you can lay in. At one point, it was coming through the glass, so it'd be really warm there. And these windows were like a full-on sliding glass, so they kind of accordioned, opened up. So that's all open right there. There's no windows. The windows are open at this time, so you can actually have the weather, feel the breeze coming in, have the sun, or if they close up the glass. So that was pretty cool.
Oh, it's another really unique corner suite. Really cool. I wished we had a week's worth of stay in here, but hey, this is where we're going to be at for the next couple of days. Hope you like the tour.
Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.